Hi guys, so you clicked on the video because you want to know how and why meditation will change you and your life. So let's just get into it and let's start with how it will change you. Um, so the benefits of meditation are there's so many and they're all obviously positive. But as you meditate more and more and you reach that level of more stillness and awareness without really your conscious knowledge of how it will, transform you, you will become more patient, more loving, more just present in your everyday to what you do and, um, who you talk to and what you talk about. You're very still in everything you do. It will also make you more loving, as weird as that might sound. And I'll give you an example from my own personal life. Um, and you are able to respond instead of reacting to a lot of situations as you go through your daily routine, daily life, right? Work, family life, whatever it may be. So as things arise and things happen, what you think happened to you, um, you are able to have a moment of separation of awareness and actually respond how you want to respond to whatever happened to you or maybe whatever somebody said to you, right? But you're able to respond instead of just your impulse to react or um, so you become, like I said, more of all the good attributes, right? I'll give you an example from my own life. At this point, I've been meditating for a while, and seeing some results, but not really noticing, like very big, huge results. And I remember meditating one night. At that point, I was meditating for like 2 hours before bed, which was which was really beautiful, but easier said than done. And I meditated the night before, and after that meditation, I woke up the next day just feeling very energized for life and very calm and very patient. I remember getting on the train to go to work, and I felt this immense kind of love for everybody around me. I remember, somebody came in and me offering their, them the seat, and maybe another person coming in and me doing the same. And eventually, the funny part is, people around me started noticing that, and then somebody, I think, younger than me, offered me their seat, and it was like a domino effect. And that's the beautiful thing, as you kind of change on the inside, because that's how it works, right? In order to change your life on the outside, you have to change yourself within. You may have heard that phrase, "as within, so without." That's what it that's what it refers to. So when you start meditating and start becoming more peaceful, more loving, more present, um, the things on the outside will change. The reality is a mirror, and it reflects whatever you're giving to it, but it reflects whatever you are on the inside. So it's a beautiful thing. I don't see why somebody wouldn't, try it and give it a chance, because you can see really profound changes, like I promise you. So the second part, kind of, why it works the way it does. Every day we go on with our life very unconsciously, right? And they say maybe 10% of the day you're kind of conscious, and 90% of the time you go on autopilot. Just your past um, stuff that may have happened to you, your past whatever you learned, kind of just like a program, right? And very late on your day you're actually present and seeing what you're doing and behaving maybe in a different manner that is not, like I said, that automatic program instilled in you. You know, it's very hard. So when you meditate, you go within, and what people call it, you know, you center yourself. You touch the real you. You touch who you really are, which is, you know, that stillness, that peace, love, and awareness. Um, and the more you do that, like I said, the outside will change. You are not that anxiety and stress and everyday, like, in your ego mind and thinking mind, what a lot of people call your monkey mind, just going and, you know, circulating and ruminating and all that stuff, you know, worrying about the future and going, you know, revisiting past events. You are not any of that. Okay. And when you meditate, you touch who you truly are. And when you do, and when you do it more often, it automatically, without your real everyday knowledge, you know, of it, you will change. You will change. Your life will change. And it really works this way. It is so positive. Please, whoever never, you know, meditated, try today. Start today. Um, so I really wanted to bring this because, like, it's so important. It can change you and your life so uh, drastically in such a beautiful way. Okay. So hope you found any of this, you know, helpful, and maybe you can start applying it. You know, please try. And at the beginning, it's not easy, but the more you do it, you will see some of these changes I talk about. So thanks for listening, and I will make another video, kind of how to meditate properly. There's no one way, but just how to, you know, meditate properly and kind of easily. I'll give you some tips. So see you in the next video.